Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for the headphones The House of Marley Redemption. And the first one is to use a USB-C cable. So just connect it to USB-C port at the back of the charging case. And we can see the LED light is blinking, so it means that it's charging. And the second method is to use USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even a micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to the charging case. We also can see a LED light, so that means that it's charging. This headphones doesn't support wireless charging, so we can't use a wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!